When a cancer returns or the current treatment has stopped working, it becomes even more important to reliably identify the most effective treatment options. A novel lab test called the SAGE Oncotest may help guide a better informed treatment decision. It is based on a principle called functional profiling, which has now been shown in several studies to have accuracies of more than 80%. In contrast to other standard cancer diagnostics, this test evaluates how a live sample of your own tumor tissue does actually respond to various treatment options. This test does not replace genomic testing, but it is designed to complement and go well beyond what other precision oncology tests can do, so that the most effective therapy can be selected. It can be ordered by your oncologist or one of our trusted partnering physicians and needs to be arranged ahead of time, as it uses the fresh tissue from an upcoming biopsy or surgery. To learn more about how the SAGE Oncotest may be able to help you, visit sagemedic.com.